Hey everyone, it's Alex with another video, a quick demo and explanation on options for interior leather care. So, in front of me I have Polestar and I also have Leather Star. So, with a Polestar, this is going to be the cleaner for your leather and also your other interior bits. I have mine diluted in a little IK, that's why this bottle is like this. Good cleaner, you can dilute this multiple ways as the bottle is explaining here. 5-to-1 or a 20-to-1, just depending on how bad it is. So I've done a 5-to-1, that's been really good. 20-to-1 if you really want to stretch this. Awesome value for money, I don't care what anybody says. And with the Leather Star, I love this stuff. This stuff has an awesome little scent. Super clean, and I've used it on my leather before, and it makes it a nice matte finish. So when applying this is what our main focus is going to be on. I'm also going to be demonstrating the Rag Company Applicator. So with this guy, you can use this for different kinds of dressings for your interior plastics, your seats. I'm going to show you how it works on the seats, so stay tuned and enjoy. We're going to hop in the car and take a look. All right, so these seats are pretty darn clean, so we're going to take our Leather Star here, give that a good shake like any chemical, and then we're going to apply it to our new Rag Company Applicator here. So just apply generous amount there, close that, and then we're just going to go along the seat here. So this is the driver's seat. Now, if you have a bolster like I do, getting in and out can really affect that. So this stuff really helps with that. Apply a little bit more. Gonna go on the seat base. Now, if you want, you can knock it down to the towel. Personally, I don't find that necessary, so I just kind of leave it as it is, but again, personal preference. So, we're gonna come back with our final thoughts and see how that is. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that quick little demo on Koch Chemie Leather Star. So, although it does say a leather cleaner on here, it's great for kind of conditioning that, and with the applicator from the Rag Company here, with these great little finger areas, doesn't matter which way you're holding it, it's gonna stay on there. Awesome little addition to their lineup. So where can you find this stuff? Well, I'm going to link the description below. It's going to have everything in there. Ragcompany.com if you're in the US, Koch Chemie USA if you're in the US, and if you're up in Canada like I am, TOC Supplies and Carzilla.ca, Bucky VW gets you a little bit of a discount there. So definitely hope you can treat your leather with this stuff. Awesome little product, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.